Hello kids and welcome everyone to the world of alphabet. We are back with a new alphabet. So let's explore. Our today's alphabet is alphabet H. Today we shall be learning about the things starting with alphabet H. Introduction to things starting with alphabet H. So let's start. H for hat. H for hat. Hat protects us from sun. Hat protects us from sun. Hat comes in various sizes and different colors. H for hat. H for hat. H for horse. H for horse. Horse is a domestic animal. Horse is a domestic animal. H for horse. H for horse. H for hair. H for hair. Hair is a part of our body. Hair is part of our body. Different people have different color hair. Some have black hairs, some have brown hairs. H for hair. H for hair. H for hen. H for hen. Hen gives us eggs. Hen gives us eggs. H for hen. H for hen. H for house. H for house. We live in a house. We live in a house. Everyone has house. Some have big house, some have small. H for house. H for house. H for hand. H for hand. We have two hands. We have two hands. H for hands. H for hand. H for honeybee. H for honeybee. Honeybee collects honey. Honeybee collects honey. Honeybee is of black and yellow color and it has wings. H for honeybee. H for honeybee. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. Helicopter flies in the air. Helicopter flies in the air. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. H for helmet. H for helmet. Helmet protects us. The people who ride bike and scooter wear helmet. Helmet protects us. H for helmet. H for helmet. H for hammer. H for hammer. Hammer is a tool. Hammer is a tool. We use hammer to fix the nail in the wall. We use hammer to fix the nails in the wall. H for hammer. H for hammer. H for horn. H for horn. Horn is a musical instrument. Horn is a musical instrument. H for horn. H for horn. H for heart. H for heart. Here you can see a heart shape. Heart is a shape. H for heart shape. H for heart shape. H for hamburger. H for hamburger. Hamburger is a fast food. Hamburger is a fast food. H for hamburger. H for hamburger. H for hanger. H for hanger. Hanger is used to hang our clothes. Hanger is used to hang our clothes. H for hanger. H for hanger. H for hairband. H for hairband. Hairband is a hair accessory. Hairband is a hair accessory. We wear hairbands on our hair. H for hairband. H for hairband. I hope you enjoyed today's session and got information on the words which start with alphabet H. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and healthy. Can you say hello? Hello. Hello begins with letter H. Wave your hands. Hands. H. Hands also begin with letter H. Now what is this? Head. Head also begins with letter H. And you know, hair. Hair also starts with letter H. Now today we are going to learn letter H. This is capital H and small h. Capital H, small h. It says huh. It says huh. H for hat. H for hat. H for hen. H for hen. Hen says cluck cluck. H for heart. H for heart. Heart is inside our body. Heart pumps our blood. H for heart. H for hand. H for hand. H for hot air balloon. H for hot air balloon. Hot air balloon flies high in the sky. You can sit in this, standing over here inside this carriage. Now I'll show you some more objects related to letter H. Hammer. This is hammer. Carpenter use hammer. Hanger. What is this? Hanger. You keep your clothes on hanger. Hang your clothes uniform on hanger. What is this? Can you identify? Horse. What is it? Horse. Horse is domestic animal. Hen. Hen. Hen gives us egg. Hen says cluck cluck. Horn. 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 It says horn. You all know this? Yes. It is a house. It says house. It says house. Are you happy? Today you learned sound of H. Revise it at home. Take care. See you soon. Till then, bye. Hello kids. Good morning. Hope you all are healthy and happy. Today we are going to learn new alphabet H. H, capital H and small h. H for hat. H for hat. H for hen. H for hen. Hen gives us egg. You like eating egg? H for hen. Now let's see some more pictures related to H. H for hive. H for hive. Hive is beehive. Bee live inside it. These are bees, honey bee. H for honey bee. H for hive. H for hand. H for hand. H for horse. Horse is domestic animal. H for horse. H for hat. H for hat. And H for house. You live in house? Yes. H for house. Now I will show you how to write capital H. You all know your Reading to Line notebook. We will not write in the margin. We will start from top red line. 2 standing lines. 2 standing lines. And then we will draw 1 sleeping line on blue line, joining these 2 standing lines. 2 standing line. Then sleeping line on the blue line, joining that lines. H. 2 standing lines and 1 sleeping line in the middle. From red line to blue line, 2 standing lines and sleeping line joining the 2 standing lines is capital H. 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line, capital H. 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line in the middle. 2 standing line and 1 sleeping line in the middle, capital H. 2 standing line and 1 sleeping line, capital H. 2 standing line and 1 sleeping line, capital H. Practice writing at home in Reading to Line notebook. See you soon. Take care. Bye.
Hello kids. Today we are going to learn cursive H. So here we start. Here we have to draw first 2 lines like this. See, these 2 lines we draw. Then from this line we will not pick up the pencil. We'll go as it is up and cursive capital H. This way we have to write cursive capital H. Cursive capital H. Cursive capital H. Now we will learn how to write small h. For writing small h, we have to start from the blue line. Small h. Thank you.
Hello kids. Today I am here with you to do an activity of alphabet H. Today you have learned how to write alphabet H. So today we will be doing the alphabet H activity. For this we will need a H like this. Now how can you make this H? We have to use 2 standing line strips and 1 sleeping line strip will make a H. Then in this activity we are going to use different shapes also. Which shape is this? This is a triangle. We will be using a rectangle and we will be using one more rectangle with the blue color. Now let's start. First we will stick the H. Now As you can see, we have stick alphabet H. Now we have learned many things which are starting from alphabet H. So today we will be doing an activity with H for house. H for house. For this we will take this triangle and apply Fevicol in it. Now we will stick this triangle on the top of H. On the top of H. So with this shape we gave the roof of the house. We made the roof of the house. Now we will take this small triangle and we'll stick here. Now we will take this rectangle piece and we will stick over here. This rectangle piece we will stick here and it will give us the door of the house. It will give us the door of the house like this. Now we will make the knob of the. Now with the help of a black sketch pen we will make a knob. We will make a knob of the door with the help of which we open the door of our house. Now we will take this small rectangle and apply Fevicol. And now we will insert this rectangle near our triangle like this, and this will become our chimney. This will become our chimney. After this we will write here H for house. H for house. So I hope you all enjoyed today's activity for alphabet H. I want you all to try this activity and share your pics on the group. Until next time, bye-bye. Take care.
Welcome everyone to the world of alphabets. Our today's alphabet is I. Introduction to things starting with alphabet I. I for India. I for India. India is our country. India is our country. I for India. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Ice cream is made from milk. Ice cream is made from milk. I for igloo. I for igloo. Igloo is a house made of ice blocks. Igloo is a house made of ice block. I for igloo. I for igloo. I for island. I for island. Island is a place surrounded by water. Island is a place surrounded by water. I for island. I for iron. I for iron. Iron is used for ironing clothes. Iron is used for ironing clothes. I for iron. I for iron. I for ice. I for ice. Ice is used to keep things cold. Ice is used to keep things cold. I for ice. I for ice. I for ink. I for ink. Ink is used for writing. Ink is used for writing. I for ink. I for ink. I for ice skates. I for ice skates. Ice skates are used to skate on ice. Ice skates are used to skate on ice. I for ice skates. I for ice skates. Hope you enjoyed, kids. Until next time, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Good morning. Welcome to our new session. In this session, we will learn about alphabet I. I, capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. I says insect, insects. Bee, ladybug, butterfly are insects. I for insects. I for ice cream. You all eat ice cream? It is cold. I for ice cream. Ice cream. I for island. I for island. 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 All sides are covered with water. Is island. I for island. I for igloo. I for igloo. Igloo is house made from ice. It is warm inside. I for igloo. Now I'll show you some objects related I. I for ice cubes. I for ice cubes. I for infant, baby. I for infant. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I for iCard. I for iCard. You will wear this while coming inside the school. I for iron. I for iron. You use to iron your clothes. These are some things related alphabet I. Revise this at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Till then, bye. Hello everybody. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. You are staying at home? Very good, children. Now let's revise the lines which we learned before. What is this? Standing line. Sleeping line. Now what is this? Correct. This is L. This is alphabet L. Now let's see what is this. Remember? Correct. This is alphabet T. Now we'll learn new alphabet with standing and sleeping line. This is I. Capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. Now let's see pictures related I. I for ink pot. I for iron. I for ice cream. I for igloo. Let's revise again. I for ink pot. I for iron. I for ice cream. I for igloo. All of you remember this? This is your red and blue line notebook. You will not write in the margin. You will use red line, blue line, red line. These 4 lines. In writing capital letters, we use only these 3 lines. Now writing I. We'll start with red line. Standing line, sleeping line on red line, and another sleeping line on bottom blue line, second blue line. And last red line, it's a danger line. Again, red line to blue line, standing line. Then sleeping line on red line, another sleeping line on blue line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. What is this? I. You will not write on the danger line. Again we will come to top line. Red line to blue line, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. I. All of you practice writing I and revise the pictures thought. Bye. Have a good day.
Hello kids, you have learned about letter I today. So let's do a fun activity related to letter I. For that we will need a plain white paper, 3 strips of brown paper, 1 red small circle, and you have to cut 3 different color paper in this type. So let's start. First, first strip like standing line, and second and stick second strip here like sleeping line, and then stick third strip here downside like sleeping line. Our letter I is ready. After that, we stick this type of paper on the letter I like this. Finally, a small red circle place on the top. Our ice cream is ready. Hope you all have fun doing this. Thank you.
Hello kids and welcome to the world of alphabet. Let's explore one more new alphabet today. Our today's alphabet is alphabet J. Alphabet J. Today we shall learn new words starting with alphabet J. Introduction to things starting with alphabet J. So let's start. J for jug. J for jug. We put water in a jug. We put water in a jug. J for jug. J for jug. J for jeep. J for jeep. Jeep is a road vehicle. Jeep is a road vehicle. J for jeep. J for jeep.
J for jelly. J for jelly. Jelly is a dessert. Jelly is a dessert. It comes in different flavors. It comes in different flavors. J for jelly. J for jelly. J for jacket. J for jacket. Jacket is a type of clothing. Jacket is a type of clothing. J for jacket. J for jacket. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish lives under water. Jellyfish lives under water. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today's session learning new words from the alphabet J. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Good morning. Doing well. Doing all your activities and homework very nicely. In this session, we will learn about J. Alphabet J. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. J for jet. J for jet. Jet is plane flying very fast. J for jet. J for jug. J for jug. J for jelly. J for jelly. Jelly, you eat jelly chocolates? J for jelly. J for joker. J for joker. Where you see joker? You see joker in circus. J for joker. Joker is juggling. Juggling balls. J for joker. Joker is juggling balls. Now let's see some more objects related J. Do you remember? This is Johnny. Hello Johnny. Johnny is jumping. J for jumping. Johnny is jumping. J for jeans. J for jeans. You wear while going outside. J for jeans. Jacket. J for jacket. J for jacket. Jacket also you wear in some functions. J for jar. J for jar. J for jam. You eat bread jam. J for jam. J for jaggery. J for jaggery. Jaggery is sweet in taste. J for juice. J for juice. J for jewelry. J for jewelry. You all revise this at your home. Wash your hands regularly. See you soon. Bye. Hello everybody. Good morning. Doing great. Today I'll show you how to write J. Capital J. We will learn to write capital J. J for jelly. J for jelly. J for jug. J for jug. I'll show you some more pictures related J. J for jacket. J for jacket. J for juice. J for juice. J for jam. J for jam. J for jug. J for jug. J for jigsaw. Jigsaw puzzle. J for jigsaw. You play with it. Now I'll show you how to write J. You all know red underline notebook. We write capital letters in first 3 lines. Fourth line is danger line. We will not write in margin. So how will write J? First we'll write standing line and a semicircle. Then one sleeping line. J. Standing line and a semicircle. Then a sleeping line. J. Standing line and a semicircle. Then a sleeping line. J. J for jug. We will not write on danger line. We'll go on first red line. Standing line and a semicircle. Then we will put sleeping line on the red line. Standing line and a semicircle. Then a sleeping line on red line. Standing line and a semicircle. Then a sleeping line on red line. Again danger line. Again we'll go on first line. Standing line and a small circle. And a sleeping line. J. J. J for juice. J for jelly. All of you practice writing J. See you soon. Bye.
Hello kids, in our last video we have learned cursive, capital I and small I. Today we are going to learn J. Here we go. Similar like I, we have to do it, but here this is something new which we are doing for writing J. Now we'll write small j. Thank you.
Hello kids, how are you? All are fine. Today we will do J activity. Okay. First you draw orange paper. In orange paper J, capital J, and cut in this way. Then you draw the jellyfish face in pink paper. Then you cut in this way. Okay, and we want the strips, and then you cut in this way. Then eyes. Okay, now take white paper, stick the J, now stick the jellyfish, now stick the strip this. And take white paper and draw small circle and cut it for eyes.
Now with black mark paper, marker, draw the eyes. See, our J for jellyfish is ready. You also do this J activity at home and send in a WhatsApp group. Okay, take care. Bye.
Hello kids, and welcome back to the world of alphabets. Today we shall explore one new alphabet. So let's start. Our today's alphabet is alphabet K. Alphabet K. Introduction to things starting with alphabet K. So let's start. K for kite. K for kite. Kites have different shapes and colors. Kites have different shapes and colors. K for kite. K for kite. K for key. K for key. Key is used to open locks. Key is used to open locks. K for key. K for key. K for kettle. K for kettle. Kettle helps to keep things hot. Kettle helps to keep things hot. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for knife. K for knife. Knife is used to cut vegetables and fruits. Knife is used to cut vegetables and fruit. Knife is very sharp. Knife is sharp. So we have to use it carefully. We have to use it carefully. K for knife. K for knife. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo has a pouch. Kangaroo has a pouch. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K for king. K for king. King wears a crown. King wears a crown. K for king. K for king. K for koala. K for koala. Koala loves to sleep. Koala loves to sleep. K for koala. K for koala. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit. Kiwi is a fruit. It is rich in vitamins. It is rich in vitamins. K for kiwi. K for kiwi. K for kitten. K for kitten. A cat's baby is called kitten. A cat's baby is called kitten. K for kitten. K for kitten. K for ketchup. K for ketchup. Everyone likes the yummy taste of ketchup. Yes or no? Ketchup is made up of tomatoes. Ketchup is made up of tomatoes. K for ketchup. K for ketchup. K for keyboard. K for keyboard. Keyboard is a part of computer. Keyboard is a part of computer. It helps us to type words. K for keyboard. K for keyboard. I hope you enjoyed today's session and learned the words that start with alphabet K. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Welcome. Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn new letter K. K. Capital K, small k. K for kitchen. K for kitchen. Mama cooks food in kitchen. Yes, K for kitchen. K for kite. K for kite. Kite flies high in the sky. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is wild animal. K for kid. K for kid. Now I'll show you some more objects related alphabet K. K for keyboard. K for keyboard. Keyboard you use on computers. K for keyboard. K for keys. K for keys. Keys we use to open the lock. K for keychain. K for keychain. We hang keys on keychain. K for knife. K for knife. Mama use knife to cut food, vegetables and fruits. K for knife. K for knot. K for knot. Now you all revise this at home and find new things related K. Till then, bye. See you soon. Hello kids. Good morning. Welcome back to our new session. Today I am going to teach you to write letter K. Now let's see. This is capital K and small k. We write letter K with 3 lines. One standing line and 2 slanting lines. Capital K. K for kitchen. K for kitchen. Mama cooks food in kitchen. K for kitchen. K for kid. K for kid. Like you all, K for kid. Now I'll show you some pictures related letter K. K for kettle. K for kettle. K for canal. K for kennel. It is dog home. K for king. K for king. K for key. K for key. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is a wild animal. Now I'll show you how to write capital K. You all are familiar with your red and blue line notebook? We will write in first 3 lines from top red line to second blue line. In the margin, we will not write anything. Tell your mama to write date. First, we'll write standing line from top red line to second blue line. Then, again we'll go on top line till center, first blue line, slanting line. Then again from first blue line to second red line, second blue line, K. See again, top red line to second blue line, top red line to first blue line, first blue line to second blue line, K. One standing line, slanting line from right to left, again slanting line from left to right, K. Will not write on red line. It is a danger line. Again we will go on top first red line till second blue line, standing line. Then slanting line to left side till first blue line. Again slanting line from first blue line to second blue line, K. Again K. Standing line, slanting line and slanting line. K. Again danger line. First red line, standing line. Then slanting line. Again one more slanting line. K. Standing line, slanting line and slanting line. K. Standing line, slanting line and again slanting line. K. Practice this at home and see you soon.
Hi kids! Today we'll learn a new alphabet, that is K. Capital K, small k. K for king. K for kite. K for kettle. K for key. K for kiwi. K for kitten. K for kangaroo. Okay, today we will do one activity of K. So, we will require a green paper, a yellow paper, a orange paper, red paper, white paper and black also. So, we'll cut it in a proper manner. See, this is circle shape. This is semicircle. This is rectangle shape. Okay, we'll start now. Like this you will stick. Okay, press it. Now we'll stick this crown. Okay, now this circle. This semicircle. Eyes. See, this is K for king. Kids, have you enjoyed this activity? You do it at home also. Okay? Bye kids. Thank you.
Hello kids, how are you all? Hope all are fit and fine at home. So today we will be learning the cursive lipi of letter K. You can see this is the capital cursive lipi of K and this is the small cursive letter of K. So first thing we need to see how I am writing. So you all can also practice same in your notebook. So first we'll start from capital K in cursive. So here we go. We'll start from the blue line. See how I am writing. You need to make a line from top to bottom and then have to do like this.
Your handwriting should be clean and neat. So kids, this is how we need to learn the cursive letter, capital letter of K. So now we will start from the cursive letter small k. Here we go. So first we'll start from the blue line. So here you can see from the blue line, first we need to take the line to the top of the red line, come down, and you need to write like this. It's a K, small cursive letter K. So this is how we need to write. You can see. One by one and write it nicely. Whenever you are practicing this in your notebook. What is this? It's a small K in cursive. We always write in a blue line, so be careful and write it nicely. I hope you understand that how I am writing. You can see so this is done almost. So kids, you can see this is a capital K and this is a small k in cursive lipi. Once again I'll repeat, this is a capital K in cursive and this is a small letter in cursive. I hope you understand. So practice this. Take care of yourself. Thank you.